Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be updating your iPhone, iPad to the latest iOS. So let's get started. You're going to have to go into your settings. Inside your settings, your first option should say your device's name or your name. From there, make sure to do a backup. Right now, I do see a message that I can't do my backup. Maybe I have run out of space. Well, in that case, I would hook up my iPhone or my iPad in order to back it up into my computer using iTunes on PC or on Mac. I can use Finder. Also, if you're having any issues with this update, you can always plug it in and do it from there, from your computer. Anyways, right now we're gonna see the second option where it's gonna say software update. If you don't see that there, don't worry about it. Scroll down. You're gonna see general. Second option, software update. Then the latest update will pop up here. Now let's say nothing's loading for you. You can go on and turn on and off automatic updates. That should refresh things. And remember to always have automatic updates turned off, because you don't want this to just update by itself and then all of a sudden in the morning you might notice that your iPhone or iPad's no longer working for some strange reason and you have no idea what just happened. But anyways, right now we're just gonna tap on update now. Put in your passcode if you have one. It's gonna download the update. After it downloads the update, it's just gonna install it. It's gonna restart. You're gonna see an Apple logo, a loading bar, and then that's it. Now this update is actually pretty small, so this should be able to be done pretty quick for most of you, around 5 to 10 minutes maximum. And yes, it also depends on your internet speed, but for now you can just leave it and then come back to it and it's gonna be installed. Alright, so if you would have just left your iPhone to be, it would have restarted by itself and just done that. So right now, if you didn't, if you were actually looking at it and you put scheduled, you can just update it now. So I'm gonna tap on update now. It's gonna verify the update. It's gonna restart, Apple logo and a loading bar. So after the Apple logo and a loading bar, you should see this swipe up and you are done. Go right into settings. You guys can check out that everything went okay. So general, software update, and you're all up to date. That would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.